Personal Financial Checkup. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. In this video, you will learn personal finance challenges and solutions, top 10 IMG membership benefits, basic financial concepts and strategies you need to know before you invest, understanding mutual funds, how to calculate your protection need, understanding long-term healthcare, and the complete financial plan. First, let's discuss personal challenges. What is your situation right now? Do you have problems paying your bills? Ano mas mabilis tumaas? Sweldo o bilihin? Kung wala kang financial plan, mas malaki ang chance na kapusin ka sa pera. At worst, malubog sa utang. Are you concerned about your job, your career? Sa panahon ngayon, di na uso ang job security. Uso na ang automation. System na ang nagtatrabaho. From my personal experience, dati kong trabaho sa accounting. Kinausap mismo ako ng owner ng company na i-enhance ko ang accounting system para matanggal ang mga contractual employees. Totoo na one computer can replace 20 people. Doon ko naisip na kahit ako mismo na officer, pwedeng matanggal sa trabaho. How long will you survive if you stop working? Importante na may ipon ka dahil anytime, pwede kang tanggalin o mawalan ng trabaho. Pwedeng dahil sa nagtitipid o nalugi ang kumpanya nyo. Pwede din namang matanda ka na. Sa tingin mo, sino mas gusto ng employer? Ikaw na matanda na at nagdedemand ng malaking sweldo? O ang fresh grad na 21 years old lang at payag sa maliit na sweldo? Are you paid what you are worth? Majority, 3% lang ang increase sa sweldo. Alam mo bang talo ka kapag 3% lang ang increase mo kada taon? Kasi your salary increase should beat inflation and taxes. Mabilis ang pagtaas ng mga bilihin at kada bili mo, may 12% VAT kang binabayaran. Are your children growing up and your parents growing old faster than you can provide for them? Mahirap pag ikaw ang breadwinner sa pamilya, lalo na kung pati magulang mo umaasa sa'yo kahit na may sarili ka ng pamilya. Do you feel financial trap is affecting your family? Madalas na pag-awayan ng mag-asawa, pera. Di kasi natin nakasanayan na magplano pagdating sa pera. Is life passing you by? Naalala ko nung 28 years old ako, may savings naman ako pero dissatisfied ako sa interest sa bank. Kaya noon ako nagsimulang mag-research about investment. Sabi ko kasi kailangan may makita na akong resulta ng pinagtrabahuhan ko. Ang hirap kasi na 10 years ka na nagtatrabaho tapos wala ka man lang napundar. Do you still have hope for a brighter day? Marami ang wala ng ganang pumasok sa trabaho dahil parang wala namang improvement. Papasok, susweldo, magbabayad ng bills. The first step is change the way you think. Yun ang maganda, tao tayo. We can change our situation by starting to change the way we think. Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, if you don't like how things are, change it. You're not a tree. Control your future. Your future is not in the hands of your employer, your union, or your government. It is neither in the hands of your bank nor your broker. Ang mindset natin, dapat tayo mismo ang responsible sa financial situation natin. Sabi nga kung ano sitwasyon mo ngayon, yun ay dahil sa mga naging desisyon mo 5 years ago. Kung nabaon ka sa utang ngayon, pwedeng dahil di mo dinisiplina sarili mo, pwedeng maluho ka, pwedeng di ka nag-budget. The future is in your hands. Be your own money manager. Educate yourself. Maraming nawalan ng pera dahil inasa nila sa iba ang pag-manage ng pera nila. Di ba marami tayong nababalitaan na artista na humirap? O kahit personal na kakilala mo, mayaman dati pero mahirap na ngayon. Kaya understand how money works. Now let's go to the second part of this video, top 10 IMG membership benefits. Kung nagpapamember tayo sa Mercury Drug para magkasuki card at maka-discount, ganun din when it comes to our personal finance. IMG focused on educating Filipinos about personal financial strategies. Benefit 1, if you are an IMG member, you have a lifetime access to financial education. Mahal ang mga seminar about financial, kaya malaki matitipid mo pag naging member ka ng IMG. Here are sample topics. Ang maganda dyan, dahil financial classes to, meron ka pang free saving your future book and workbook. Benefit 2, lifetime free financial check-up. Ang financial plan, di lang naman one time yan. Kasi pwede ngayong year, single ka. Next year, mag-asawa ka na at magkaanak. In 5 years, pwede mag-aaral na anak mo. Nag-iiba situation mo, kaya kailangan laging may plano. At importante na may financial coach ka. Benefit 3, access to estate preservation program. Paano kung may property ka? Kapag namatay ka, sigurado ka bang matatransfer na maayos ang property mo sa mga anak mo? Kailangan mo ng lawyer para sa estate preservation. Mahal ang bayad sa lawyer. Pag IMG member ka, makaka-avail ka ng murang service from lawyers. Benefit 4, discounts on car, home, property, business, travel, and other non-life insurances. For example, kung may car at house ka, instead na may agent ka pa sa kinuha mong insurance, pag IMG member ka, diretso ka na sa insurance company. Ikaw na ang agent ng sarili mong insurance, kaya makakatipid ka every year. Benefit 5, discounts from real estate companies. Like Benefit 4, pag gusto mong kumuha ng real estate like condominium, diretso ka na sa real estate company. Di mo na kailangang dumaan sa agent. Again, malaki madidiscount mo. Benefit 6, access to cheap life insurance product and services. May murang term life insurance na exclusive sa IMG members lang binibigay ng PhilAm. Benefit 7, access to short-term and long-term healthcare. Sa panahon ngayon, lead na ang healthcare. Malaking kawalan sa bulsa kung wala kang health insurance. Noong nag-attend ako ng financial coaching noong 2012, ang nagustuhan ko long-term healthcare. Dahil that time, matanda na din parents ko. Alam ko na magastos ang health expenses, kahit check-up at laboratory lang, mahal na. Benefit 8, access to mutual funds at zero load fee. Mutual fund is an investment. Zero load means every time na mag-i-invest ka, kung IMG member ka, wala nang entry fee na ibabawas sa investment mo. Benefit 9, business ownership program in the financial service. Nabanggit ko kanina na may mga challenges tayo kung employee tayo. Kaya maganda kung may backup plan ka din. Like, while having 8 to 5 job, why not find other source of income? Here in IMG, if you become a member, we have business classes na pwede kang mag-attend para matuto ka how to do business in the financial industry. Pwede kang maging financial educator. And benefit 10, an opportunity to travel the world through business program. Pag natuto ka sa IMG entrepreneurship, pwede kang mag-qualify sa IMG free trips. Again, register as an IMG member para you can avail any or all of the benefits, learning benefits, discount benefits, and entrepreneurship benefits. Ito po mga kapartner ng IMG, mga company na nasa financial industry. Kung di ka magpa-member sa IMG, pwede ka namang dumiretso sa mga company na to. Kaya lang, pag dumiretso ka, kailangan dumaan ka sa agent. Kaya malaki madidiscount mo pag IMG member ka. Now, let's go to the third part of this video. Basic financial concepts you need to know before you invest. First, X-curve concept. How does money work? Second, Rule of 72. The power of compounding interest. Third, how to build solid financial foundation. And fourth, the prosperity formula. Let's go now to the first concept. The X-curve concept. Age line. On the left side is the younger you. On the right side is the older you. This line represents your productive years. So you have to maximize your productive years para makapag-ipon ka. Kaya X-curve concept kasi dalawang line lang tatandaan mo. First line, blue line, the law of building wealth. Blue line is your money line or line of savings. Dapat habang tumatanda ka, nadadagdagan ng savings mo. Kaya kung zero savings ka ngayon, dapat maging big savings yan. Pero bakit ba mahirap mag-save? May isa pa kasing line. The second line, which is the red line. The law of decreasing responsibility. Red line is your responsibility line. Ang target natin yung big responsibility mo ngayon, ma-zero out. Ngayon, ang dami mong responsibility. Ano-ano ba yun? Food, shelter, fix yan. Di mo pwedeng sabihin sa landlord mo na di mo na ako magbabayad ng rent kasi wala akong kinikita ngayon. Actually, pag lumipat ka ng bahay, 2 months advance, 1 month deposit pa nga yan. Of course, basic need, clothing, then education. Pag may pinag-aaral ka ng mga anak, magastos talaga yan. Bukod sa tuition fee, yung baon ng mga bata araw-araw, and gastos sa school activities. Of course, health. Sa panahon ngayon, di mo maiiwasang magkasakit ka. Paracetamol lang, 6 pesos na. And syempre, kung may utang, isa din yan sa responsibilities mo na kailangan mo ring bayaran. Sa older age mo, sa right side, nandyan pa rin needs mo. Food, shelter, clothing, lalong-lalo na health expenses mo. And ang goal, debt-free ka na by that time. Para may panggastos ka sa permanent needs mo, kailangan mo ng income. Ang problema, permanent ang needs mo. Ang income mo, permanent din ba? Ang problema, ang income mo, temporary. You work hard for money. In life, there are 2 risks. First risk, what if you die too soon? No savings o maliit pa ipon mo, and you have big responsibility. Who will take care of your family? Pag namatay ka, wala ka ng problema. Sino may problema? Ang mga naiwan mo. If you die, kakain pa din ba family mo? Oo. Mag-aaral pa rin ba mga anak mo? Yes. So you have to be ready for this first risk in your life. Our solution, protection or life insurance. Ang insurance policy mo, nasa box lang yan habang buhay ka. Pero pag ikaw ang napunta sa box, if you die too soon, lalabas ang insurance policy mo sa box, siya ang papalit sa'yo. Siya ang magtatrabaho para sa pamilya mo. Dahil pag may insurance ka, if you die too soon, may instant money or millions na marireceive ang family mo. Pero di lang insurance ang solution. To get your insurance coverage, you have to die first. Paano kung you live too long? Ito naman yung second risk. Di ka naman daw mamatay-matay. Problema ba yan? Problema yan kung wala kang ipon. What if you live too long? Who will take care of yourself? Ang solution natin dyan, investments and long-term care. Pag matanda ka na, almost close to zero na capacity to earn mo. Kung job ang pag-uusapan, mas tatanggapin ng mga kumpanya ang fresh grad kaysa sa senior citizen. Or kahit willing ka magtrabahong full-time, physically, mahina ka na rin. Para may sumagot sa needs mo, kailangan may big savings ka. Kasi kung may investments ka, you're living on interest na. Income from your investments. Tawag natin dyan, money working for you. Yung big savings mo ang magtratrabaho para sa'yo. And in between, habang binibuild mo ang wealth mo, pwede ka kasi magkasakit at may mga emergency, you need healthcare and emergency funds. Sa X-curve concept, dapat ready ka sa dalawang risk ng buhay. If you die too soon, you have protection. If you live too long, you have investments. Let's go now to the second concept. Understand how money works, the rule of money. Ito yung tinatawag ni Albert Einstein na the power of compound interest. Our second concept is rule of 72. Pag dinivide mo daw sa 72 yung rate of return na binibigay sa'yo kung saan ka naglagay ng pera, makukuha mo yung number of years kung kailan dodoble pera mo. For example, 1% ang interest na binigay sa'yo sa savings account mo. 72 divided by 1 equals 72 years. Meaning, 72 years bago dumoble pera mo. Bakit 72? For example, on the first year, may 100 ka na kumikita ng 1% per year. On the second year, 101 na siya kasi kumita na ng 1% o piso. On the third year, 102.01 na. Yung 101, kumita ng 1% kaya naging 102.01. Bago dumoble yung 100 pesos mo sa year 1, 72 years pa ang aantayin mo para maging 200. Another example, kung nasa 1% ang kinikita ng pera mo, at the age of 29, may 10,000 ka, 29 plus 72, at the age of 101, congratulations, dumoble na pera mo, 20,000. Maaantay mo pa ba yan? Kaya importante yung time and rate of return para mabilis dumoble pera mo. Time and rate of return will help you grow your money faster. Mag-sample ulit tayo. Kung 4% per year ang kinikita ng pera mo, 72 divided by 4 equals 18. Every 18 years dodoble pera mo. Kaya at the age of 29, kung may one-time investment ka na 100,000, 29 plus 18, at the age of 47, doble na pera mo, 200,000 na. Plus 18 years uli at the age of 65, dodoble uli pera mo, may 400,000 ka na. Enough na bang pang-retire yan? Paano kung 8% mo nilagay pera mo? Mas mabilis, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Every 9 years dodoble pera mo. Kaya kung at the age of 29 may one-time investment ka na 100,000, after 9 years at the age of 38, dodoble na pera mo 200,000 plus 9 years at the age of 47 may 400,000 ka na, at the age of 56 may 800,000 ka na, at the age of 65 may 1.6 million ka na. Pansinin mo, dinoble lang natin yung rate from 4% to 8%. Akala ko dati dodoble lang din yung 400,000, magiging 800,000. Pero naging 4 times siya ng 400,000. Kasi yung interest, nag-i-interest din. Kaya power of compound interest. Paano kung 12%? May mga investment facilities na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng 12%. Kung nasa 12%, mas mabilis. Every 6 years, dodoble pera mo. Kaya kung at the age of 29, may 100,000 kang one-time investment, plus 6 years at the age of 35, 200,000 na. After 6 years at the age of 41, 400,000 na. Plus 6 years at the age of 47, 800,000 na. Plus 6 years at the age of 53, 1.6 million na. Plus 6 years at the age of 59, 3.2 million na. And after 6 years, dodoble uli at the age of 65, 6.4 million na. Maraming Pinoy ang di alam how money works, kaya madalas ang pera nakalagay lang sa 4% ang return, or 1% or less. If you don't know how money works, 6 million ang pwedeng mawala sa'yo. Kasi nasa wrong facility ang pera mo. The secret of the wealthy is learning how money works. Ngayon alam mo na kung bakit ang mayaman, lalong yumayaman, at ang mahirap, lalong humihirap. Let's go now to the third concept, solid financial foundation. Sa financial pala, may sinusunod din na foundation para matibay ang structure. Para magtatayo ka ng condominium, kailangan matibay ang pundasyon. Madalas, inuuna natin mga Pinoy ang bubong, ang investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, bili ako ng bahay, bili ako ng kotse. We have found out sa Rule of 72 na money takes time to grow. So, dapat meron kang emergency fund. Ang emergency fund ay 3 to 6 months ng salary mo or ng income mo. Kung salary mo ay 20,000 a month, at least may emergency fund ka na 60,000. Yan ang laman ng ATM or savings account mo para in case of emergency, like mawalan ka ng job, may ipaparepair ka sa bahay, may instant money kang pwedeng magamit. Next, eliminate debt. Lalo na kung credit card. Kasi malaki ang interest ng credit card. Ang interest na nagko-compound dahil sa bad debt ay money working against you. Of course, protection or life insurance is very important. Especially if you are a breadwinner. Ginagawa mo to para sa family mo, hindi para sa'yo. If you love your family, you have to protect yourself. Term life insurance ang need mo. Mas mura pag term. Dapat may healthcare ka din. We have 2 types of healthcare, short-term and long-term. Madalas familiar lang tayo sa short-term. Ito yung benefits na binibigay ng employer natin. Ang problema, pag nag-resign ka, dala mo ba yan? Di na. So, kailangan mo din ng long-term healthcare. Kailan ka ba nagkakasakit? Bata o matanda? Siyempre matanda ka, kaya kailangan may long-term healthcare ka din para kahit beyond 60 years old ka na, covered ka pa din. You need healthcare fund kasi isang sakit can wipe out all your investments. Ang pinaka-foundation ay increase your cash flow. Magandang may investment, may emergency fund, may protection and may healthcare, pero kung wala kang panlagay, di mo mabibuild ang financial foundation mo. To increase your cash flow, you need to reduce your expense and increase your income. Sabi nga, like building a house, you must build it from the ground up. Build it right, build it strong. Change the savings formula. Madalas, pag may income tayo, una nating binabawas, expenses. Bayad ako ng kuryente, bayad ako ng phone bill, bahala na kung may masave. Worst is, mas malaki pa expense mo sa income kaya nagkautang ka pa. Ang tawag dyan, poverty formula. Ang dapat na formula, pagka-receive mo ng income, minus mo muna yung 10% tithes, ito yung donation mo sa church, then pay yourself. Ibawas mo yung 20% ng income mo as your savings. Then saka mo i-budget yung natitirang 70% sa expenses mo. Ang tawag dyan, prosperity formula. Discipline and consistency are the keys. Sa pag-iipon, di mo naman kailangan malaking pera. Kailangan lang may disiplina. For the last part of this video, we will discuss basic financial strategies and different investment vehicles that you need to know and understand. Financial strategies, understanding mutual funds, how to calculate your protection need, understanding long-term health care, and the complete financial plan. For financial strategies, let's start to small changes. Sabi nga, small changes, big money. What if you can make small changes in your spending habits and start saving 34 pesos a day? That's 1,000 per month. Marami ang mahilig sa Coke, pero alam mo bang bukod sa dagdag gasto siya, masama din siya sa health mo? Other ones, expensive coffee, yung straight, nagpapakulot at ang kulot, nagpapaunat. Guilty ako dito dati, kasi kulot ako at aaminin ko, magastos ang magpariban. Cut your other ones like cigarette, lotto, extra load, buying sale items, manicure and pedicure, and ATM bank charges. Cut the little expenses. Example, if you cut your soft drinks o yung pagbili-bili mo ng mineral water sa tindahan, sabihin na nating 20 pesos per day yan, in a month, 600 pesos yan. At in 1 year, 7,200 din may ipon mo. Kapag ini-invest mo pa yan yearly at 12% interest, in 20 years, meron kang 520,000. Kung matututo lang tayong mag-ipon, in 20 years, pwedeng may 1 million bawat isa sa atin. Second strategy, know the difference between asset and liability. Ang kotse, asset yan kung ginagamit sa Uber business. Pero kung nag-car loan ka para lang ipang porma, liability yan. Ang cellphone, asset yan kung ginagamit mo sa business. Liability yan kung ginamit mo credit card mo dahil mahal at para lang pang porma. Importante na may financial goals ka at importante na nakasulat to. Bakit ka nga ba mag-iipon? Para ba sa college fund ng anak mo? Para ba makabili ka ng sariling bahay? Para ba sa pamilya mo, lalo na kung OFW ka? Or pwedeng ang goal mo ay makapag-travel ng mas madalas? Bago ka mag-invest, importante na ang mindset mo is long-term. Di pwede na mag-i-invest ka tapos ang tanong mo agad, pwede ko ba ma-withdraw yan next month? At worst, pwede ko ba ma-loan yan? Ang goal mo at least 5 years di mo gagalawin investment mo. The longer the term, the lesser the risk. Understanding how mutual fund works. A mutual fund allows the average person to have equal investment opportunity with the wealthy. Dati malaki ang initial investment kaya mayayaman lang nakakapag-invest. Pero ngayon, for as low as 5,000, pwede ka na mag-open ng mutual fund. A mutual fund allows many investors to pool their money. Professional money managers invest in diversified portfolio of securities. Meaning, naka-invest siya sa top corporations, iba't ibang industry. Meron sa real estate, meron sa telecom, meron sa bank. As an investor, you own shares in proportion to your investment. Kung sa bank, depositor ka pag may savings account ka sa kanila, dito sa mutual fund, shareholder ka. Party owner ka ng top corporations. You receive your proportionate share of any earnings on the investment of the funds. Dahil shareholder ka, kapag may earnings ang top corporations, may share ka sa earnings nila. Again, how mutual fund works? Pooling of funds or pinagsama-sama ang investment ng individual and corporate investors. May group of fund managers ang mutual fund company. Sila ang nagtatransact, meaning sila ang expert na bumibili at nagbebenta ng stocks for you. Ini-invest nila sa top corporations. Then, pag kumita ang top corporations, madadagdag sa investment mo ang earnings. Now, let's go to life insurance or protection. Sabi nga, life insurance doesn't insure your life. It ensures your family's ability to continue on without being financially devastated. Kaya tinatawag na protection ng life insurance kasi you are protecting your family from financial loss if you die too soon. Paano ba malalaman how much protection do you need? Formula is annual income times 10. For example, ang monthly salary mo is 20,000. So, 240,000 ang annual income mo. Times 10, so you need 2.4 million life insurance coverage. Bakit 2.4 million? Kasi if something happens to you, if you die too soon, your family will receive 2.4 million. And kung invest nila yan, earning sabihin na lang nating 10% per year, so 240,000 ang interest. Divided by 12, so may 20,000 per month ang family mo. Insurance is called income replacement kasi yung nawalang income sa pamilya, kinikita pa rin ng family kahit nawala na ang breadwinner. Noong 27 years old ako, kumuha ako ng life insurance. Dependents ko that time, parents ko. Naisip ko maganda career ko, finance manager ako that time. Pero paano kung may mangyari sa akin? Kaya kahit di ko naintindihan insurance that time, kumuha ako. Actually, 3 beses na ako muntik mamatay. Una, nabangga ng truck ang sinasakyan kong jeep. Pangalawa, na-hold up yung sinasakyan kong jeep. Yung katabi ko sa jeep, nasaksak. At pangatlo, muntik na akong malunod. Anytime talaga pwedeng may mangyari sa atin. Kung may insurance ka, may peace of mind dahil alam mo na may income replacement ka. We are recommending that you buy term insurance para mura lang, instead na VUL. VUL is just a combination of insurance and mutual fund. Ang disadvantage pag VUL, mas mahal ang insurance. Understanding long-term healthcare. Healthcare is the most neglected savings and is the number 1 cause of bankruptcy. Di mo ba napapansin na opposite? Pag bata ka, covered ka ng short-term healthcare. Ito yung period na di ka naman sakitin kasi bata ka pa. Malakas ka pa. Pero yung long-term healthcare, yun ang madalas di na paghahandaan. Ito yung period na di na tayo employed, matanda na tayo at sakitin. Ang maganda sa Kaiser, basta di mo pa i-withdraw lahat ng fund mo, covered ka even beyond 60 years old ka na. Why you need long-term healthcare? Medical cost doubles every 5 to 7 years. You cannot depend on government, on your children, on your employer. Person with health card can avail of discounted rates. Sayang din yung matitipid mong 10%, 20%, 30% sa consultation, laboratory, professional fee, at iba pang hospital expenses. Secured and worry-free healthcare fund after employment and during retirement years. 20-year plan ng Kaiser, meaning 20 years kang may benefit and 7 years ka lang magbabayad. In my example, K100, meaning K100,000. Annual installment amount is 58,821.43 for K100 and the contract price is 411,750. Annual installment of 58,821.43 times 7 years, 411,750. Let us discuss the benefits during the first 7 years sa paying period. First, may annual physical exam benefits ka. Second, may dental health benefits ka, like once a year free oral prophylaxis, unlimited simple tooth extraction, temporary filling. Third, fourth, fifth benefits refers to your inpatient benefits. During first year to seventh year, ang covered ay hospitalization or inpatient benefits only. For K100 plan na sample natin, ang member ay merong ABL or annual benefit limit na 60,000 per year. And meron tayong tinatawag na long-term care bonus. Ano ba yung long-term care bonus? If no claim was made during the paying period, 85% of premium paid will be given back at the end of the 20th year. Example, sa Plan K100, contract price is 411,750. So, 85% of that is 350,000. If di mo nagamit inpatient benefits mo during the first 7 years, ibabalik sa'yo yung 350,000. Number 6, waiver of installment due to death or credit life. If the policy owner dies during the paying period, the balance of premiums is waived, rendering the plan fully paid. For example, nabayaran na ng policy owner yung first annual installment amount na 58,820.43. On the second year, policy owner dies. Her plan will be transferred to her beneficiary, fully paid. 411,750 contract price minus payment made na 58,821.43, which is equal to 352,928.57. Yung balance of premiums na 352,928.57 waive na. Number 7, waiver of installment and premiums due to total and permanent disability. If the policy owner becomes totally and permanently disabled for a period of at least 6 months during the paying period, all succeeding payments will be waived. Number 8, term life insurance coverage. For 20 years, insured ang policyholder. The beneficiary will receive an amount equal to the sum of the long-term benefit and the long-term care bonus. In our example, Plan K100, long-term benefit is 100,000 plus long-term care bonus na 350,000 equals 450,000. Number 9, accidental death and dismemberment. If policyholder dies through accident, times 2 ang insurance coverage niya. So, kung 450,000 ang coverage, magiging 900,000 ang insurance coverage. Lastly, number 10, family assistance service. Policy should be in active status and plan should have completed for at least 1 year payment. Nominated patient must be an immediate family member of the policyholder or within the first degree of consanguinity. Policyholder agrees to avail only the services of Kaiser's accredited doctors and affiliated network of hospitals. Assistance to be provided by Kaiser shall only be to the extent of allowable benefits due to the plan holder under his policy. Prior to discharge of nominated patient, payment should have been settled with Kaiser. If plan holder requested or opted to pay on a term basis, payment scheme is on a case-to-case basis and subject to Kaiser approval. Please note that this assistance is in accommodation and not considered a benefit of the plan. Hence, approval and denial on the ailment solely depends on Kaiser management evaluation. Let's discuss now the extended period. Ano nga ba yung benefits mo during the extended period? That is on the 8th year to the 20th year. First, you have 10% annual health benefit. Sa sample natin na K100 or K100,000, 10% of 100,000 is 10,000 a year. Kaya makikita nyo, from 8th year to 20th year, may 10,000 a year na health benefit ang policyholder. Kapag di nagagamit ang annual benefit, nag-accumulate lang ang balance earning 10% per year. Kaya yung 10,000 on the 8th year, kapag hindi nagamit, plus 10%, magiging 11,000. Plus 10% uli on the 9th year, kaya magiging 21,000. Then, times 10% uli yung 21,000, kikita ng 2,100, kaya magiging 23,100 plus 10,000, 33,100 ang balance at the end of 10th year. And so on. Second benefit is additional health benefit. On top of annual health benefit sa taas, meron ka ding additional health benefit, ito yung dividend mo. Kasi ang binayad mo sa Kaiser ay naka-invest. On the second year, nag-start na tumakbo ang investment part ng Kaiser plan mo. Kaya on the 8th year, sa sample natin, meron kang additional health benefit na 32,981. Ang additional health benefit mo ay depende sa market. Rate of return ranges from 3% to 13%. Third is long-term care benefit. Kahit magamit mo lahat ng benefits mo, from first year to 20th year, meron ka pa ring marireceive na long-term care benefit. This is equivalent to your plan. In our example, K100 or K100,000, kaya 100,000 ang long-term care benefit. Fourth is long-term care bonus. Ito yung nabanggit ko kanina na if di mo nagamit ang inpatient benefits mo during paying period, ibabalik ang 85% ng binayad mo. In our example, Plan K100, contract price is 411,750 times 85%, so ang long-term care bonus niya is equal to 350,000. During extended period, you can avail of outpatient benefit, inpatient benefit, maternity benefits, pati pre-existing and dreaded illness covered. Your benefit limit is based on the balance of your health fund. Your health fund balance is equal to annual health benefit plus additional health benefit. For example, on the 9th year, ang fund na pwede mong gamitin is 69,072. Annual health benefit of 21,000 plus additional health benefit na 48,072. On maturity date, that is at the end of 20th year, all your benefits can be converted to cash. In our example, total accumulated benefits with bonus is 1,166,169. This is sum of total accumulated health benefit of 269,750. Yung 269,750, yan yung nag-accumulate mula 8th year to 20th year with 10% rate of return. Plus, long-term care benefit of 100,000 plus long-term care bonus of 350,000 plus additional health benefits of 419,000, the 1,166,169 maturity value includes bonus. Kung di mo nagamit ang inpatient benefits mo during the paying period, kasama yung bonus na 350,000. Option number 1 mo, i-convert sa cash yung 1,166,169. Option number 2, di mo withdrawin, retain mo lang yung 1,166,169. Kung ni-retain mo balance, tuloy-tuloy pa rin health benefits mo kahit beyond 60 years old ka na. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin nakikita ang balance ng fund mo ng 10% per year. Kaya sa sample natin, at the age of 60, may fund balance na siya na 6,483,800 at ang 10% nun ay 648,380. At the age of 65, balance ng fund niya is 10,442,224. Ang 10% nun ay 1,044,222.40. Yan ang tinatawag na living on interest. Money working for you. Kasi interest pa lang ng fund mo, pwede nang sumagot ng health expenses mo. Third option, pwede naman yung kalahati ng 1,166,169 withdraw mo. Kalahati retain mo para may health fund ka pa rin kahit beyond 60 years old ka na. Kaiser is one of our recommended products kasi masosolve nito initially ang foundation mo. Sa Kaiser, may investment part and starting on the 8th year, may fund ka na kumikita ng 10% or more. In case of emergency, may family assistance na pwede mong pa-approve sa Kaiser
kung may card ka. For 20 years, may life insurance ka. Of course, may health card ka na magagamit for 20 years and even beyond 60 years old ka na. Like building a house, you must build it from the ground up, build it right, build it strong. The complete financial plan. Again, we have two risks in life. What if you die too soon? Our solution is get protection or life insurance. And what if you live too long? You should have investment and long-term care. Kaya we recommend that you start with level 1 investing, which is Kaiser, para meron kang healthcare, protection, and investment. Consider mutual fund as level 2 investing kasi sa financial foundation mo, bubong na ang mutual fund. Ako personally, Kaiser ang sinimulan ko and very happy naman ako sa decision ko dahil last year, fully paid na ako sa Kaiser. Starting this year, more on mutual funds na ako. Lastly, we recommend that you register as an IMG member to enjoy membership benefits, learning benefits, discount benefits, and entrepreneurship benefits. To summarize what I have discussed in this video, first, personal finance challenges and solutions. The solution is to become your own money manager. Second, top 10 IMG membership benefits. Third, basic financial concepts, X-curve concept, the rule of 72 or the power of compounding interest, solid financial foundation, and prosperity formula. Fourth, financial strategies, cut the little expenses and know the difference between asset and liability. Fifth, mutual funds. Sixth, life insurance or protection. Seventh, long-term healthcare. And lastly, the complete financial plan. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video, and if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.